As we get deeper into winter, bald eagles become more of a common sight in Will County. Come check out Eagle Watch on Saturday, January 10th at Four Rivers Environmental Education Center in Channahon. Bald eagles will be the star of this free, family-friendly event. You can learn about these iconic raptors during live presentations as well as on guided hikes. You can make a day of it at this event with a variety of activities and grab a bite from our on-site food truck. Eagle Watch is great for bird nerds and nature newcomers alike. Get in touch with nature and see the beauty of bald eagles with your own eyes. Get more information at reconnectwithnature.org and experience the wild side of Will County.